California wildfires don't just cause destruction, they also leave long-lasting effects on the communities they impact. When homes and neighborhoods are destroyed, families often lose everything they've worked for, from personal belongings to cherished memories. Rebuilding takes time, money, and emotional strength, and not everyone has the resources to bounce back quickly. Schools, businesses, and hospitals can also be affected, leaving entire towns struggling to get back on their feet. These disasters can be very hard on people's emotions as they deal with loss and worry about what the future holds. On top of that, wildfires take a toll on the environment in ways that aren't always obvious right away. Losing trees and vegetation means that animals lose their habitats, and the land becomes more prone to erosion. Water sources can become polluted with ash and debris, making it harder for people and animals to access clean drinking water. The smoke from wildfires doesn't just stay in the air, it can travel far distances, affecting air quality in other states or countries. This is why taking action to prevent wildfires and protect our environment is crucial for California and everyone. Here are the top 10 facts about wildfires in California today. 1. There are 5 enormous wildfires burning right now in Los Angeles and Ventura counties, with the Palisades and Eden fires being the biggest. 2. The Palisades fire has burned more than 17,200 acres, making it the worst wildfire in Los Angeles ever recorded. 3. The Eden fire has burned more than 13,600 acres and is threatening Mount Wilson. 4. At least 24 people have lost their lives because of the wildfires. 5. Nearly 180,000 people have been placed under evacuation orders. 6. More than 13,400 structures have been destroyed or damaged by the fires. 7. The wildfires have been exacerbated by Santa Ana winds reaching up to 100 miles per hour, low humidity, and drought conditions. 8. As of January 8, 2025, there have been 55 wildfires in California, burning nearly 27,000 acres. 9. The total damage and economic loss due to the wildfires is estimated to be between $135 billion and $150 billion. 10. The average wildfire season in the western U.S. is 105 days longer than in previous years, and there are 6 times as many acres burned and 3 times as many large fires. The recent wildfires in California will have significant and long-lasting effects on the ecosystem. Here are the top 10 long-lasting impacts on the ecosystem. 1. Habitat destruction. The fires have consumed vast land areas, destroying habitats for numerous species. This loss of habitat can disrupt local ecosystems and potentially force wildlife to relocate or face extinction. 2. Biodiversity impact. California is the most biodiverse state in the U.S., with 700 vertebrate species. The fires threaten this rich biodiversity, potentially causing long-term ecological imbalances. 3. Wildlife displacement and mortality. The rapid spread of wildfires can result in the death or displacement of animals, especially those unable to escape quickly. For example, the 2020-2021 wildfires in California led to the death or displacement of nearly 3 billion animals. 4. Vegetation changes. Wildfires alter vegetation patterns by thinning or completely destroying plant life. This can lead to ecosystem structure and function changes, affecting both flora and fauna. 5. Soil degradation. Intense fires can damage soil structure and composition, potentially leading to increased erosion and reduced fertility. 6. Water quality issues. Post-fire runoff can contaminate water sources with ash, debris, and chemicals, impacting aquatic ecosystems and water supplies. 7. Climate feedback loop. Wildfires release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to further climate change and potentially exacerbating future fire risks. 8. Long-term health effects. The health impact of these wildfires on both humans and wildlife will be felt for years to come, potentially affecting reproduction rates and overall population health. 9. Invasive species opportunity. Burned areas may become more susceptible to colonization by invasive plant species, further altering ecosystem dynamics. 10. Forest regeneration challenges. Climate change-induced conditions may hinder the natural regeneration of forests, potentially leading to long-term changes in ecosystem composition. These impacts highlight the complex and interconnected nature of ecosystems and the far-reaching consequences of large-scale wildfires in the context of climate change. Wildfires are a powerful reminder that we're all connected. What happens to the land, air, and people in one place can affect us all. This means we are responsible for caring for our environment and each other. Simple actions like using water wisely, reporting unsafe conditions, and supporting efforts to reduce carbon emissions can make a big difference. At the same time, communities can create wildfire prevention plans, help rebuild after disasters, and ensure that no one is left behind during hard times. When we work together, we're more assertive and can create a safer future for everyone. Building a sustainable world starts with kindness and care. Let's consider how our choices, big or small, impact others and the planet. Supporting clean energy, planting trees, and helping wildfire survivors are just a few ways we can create positive change. More importantly, let's encourage one another and offer a helping hand where needed. A world where people and nature thrive together is possible, but it takes all of us to make it happen. Together, we can turn challenges like wildfires into opportunities to build a better, safer, and more compassionate future. Please subscribe and follow for more.